Good morning, people. Today is March 16th. Yes! Here's my phone. Here, I gotta turn it on silent. So nobody calls me. My phone goes off. School. Alrighty. Time to go to school. Yeehaw. Oh, door's locked.
Just a little bit, but the coloring
people making
it looks like, well, obviously Philly.
A little bit thicker.
A little bit thicker.
Kind of like peanut butter.
You can write
what
next to mine. Do you want to remember your animal?
Yes.
Or if you want to...
I'll get a picture later.
Mr. Oh, he just left. Billy, is that what yours looks like?
Stir it on up.
Yeah.
Next step in process.
I told you.
Yours is a little bit runny. Just let it set for a second to cook.
Yeah, Billy.
Mine's pretty thick.
Kind of looks like peanut butter.
It's my foot in mine.
Ooh.
Which one do you have, Billy?
Yep, you
Possum.
It kind of looks.
Yeah, right. It's all to pull out.
Aw,
Yeah, you can
you're ruining my
fit
possum.
Case, look.
You waited too long. Hurry, you cook.
Probably do it again.
Huh?
I don't know.
Is that good,
I think
or-
yours came out better than mine. Here's mine.
God, I hate track.
Jewelry track.
Okay, so that was fun. We're making animal tracks. It's really fun. I like the smell of skunk, so I did skunk paw. And not many people like the smell of skunk, but I do. It's very... I don't know. I just like the smell of skunk. I know some people like the smell of gasoline. I don't like that smell. It smells horrible. But yeah, gotta go to the steer barn, clean up my steer's pen because I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. This pen's all clean. No, just go. Yep, it's hanging out over there. Don't worry, my plastic boots. That was fairly easy. I have such a good steer. Oh, he's almost like a dog. Yeah. Time to go up. I don't know if you heard me before because the camera apparently cut off. Pen start. As you saw. There you go. Gotta take off my plastic booties now. Very thick. Well, greenhouse is really moving. Look at it. Oh no. I dropped my pretty flower. Look at it. It's hot in here. Woo. Feels nice now. Time to go up with the bus. Well, our tracks came out pretty good. Look at them. Check them out. This one's mine. Dude, there's a car accident up there. I can't show you because people are in the way, but yeah, we're stuck in a car accident. This week is just awesome. Bus breaks down, car accident. What the hell are you doing? You're such an asshole. Hey, we're gonna go home project. I hate that.
Walking around.
I'm supposed to do this.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Yeah.
Okay. Up. Up there. Okay.
No way.
No, we're taking on the bus. There's the car accident right there.
Yeah, but the back's right here by it.
No way.
There's like a little hill part.
A little hill part. Just go in the
Babe.
Whee! We did it! Yay!
Watch
Yay! His dar's amazing!
Reading High School, he's a Michigan native, Mike Scoopin.
Graduate from Western Michigan University with he's a sophomore. He's a software entrepreneur, an avid outdoorsman, and a published author. He's a father of 7 and generally gets about 3 hours of sleep at night. He's best known for his appearance on Survivor Australia, where on day 18 he passed out from smoke inhalation, fell into the fire, and had to be taken off the island by medevac with severe burns to his hands. He has appeared on a number of shows, including The Early Show, Good Morning America, Michigan Outdoors, and Entertainment Tonight. Please join me in giving a warm Ranger welcome to Mike Stewart.
One of those people that ate a bug before I actually had to eat a bug. Now, remember, I'd never seen the show, but I'd heard, once I got accepted to be on the show, that you have to eat some pretty strange things. And one of the things they told me is I'm going to have to eat a bug or some bugs. Well, I'm a big eater. I love to eat. I eat all the time. And we didn't eat for the first day and a half that we got out on Survivor. There was nothing to bloom. We couldn't. They said, if you want to eat, you got to find it, catch it, or kill it. It's the only way you're going to be able to eat out here. Today they feed them on Survivor. There's a lot of food that's available. Back at the very beginning when it first started, they just didn't feed us. So it was a day and a half into the show. I'm like 7 or 8 meals behind, and I find this like sand beetle, and it was a little bit larger than a quarter. It had a hard shell and wings and 8 or 10 legs and this big long antenna. And I caught this thing, and it's the first food product that I had seen since I'd been on Survivor. And I knew we were going to have to eat bugs, so I thought I would get like a head start over everybody else and, see what it was like. So I grabbed it and I put it in my mouth and I swallowed it, and it got about halfway down, and then it spun around in my throat and it crawled up and it flew right out of my mouth. And there is a reflex in your throat that when something is going up, your mouth just goes, ah! It just opens, and a bug gets taught that at a very young age. The first thing they learn at bug school at school. So if they see the lights out, they're heading in the other direction. We never saw that bug again. There is a mathematical equation that you can apply to any area of your life, and it's called intention plus method equals results. So I plus M equals I. Here's the game. I have $5 million in a locker at the airport in Los Angeles, California. Go. I have $5 million for each one of you. There's 3 different lockers. You can have that $5 million. All you got to do is get there. One requirement. The only thing you have to do is get there. To get that $5 million as efficiently as possible, how you get there. Their intention was what? To get to California. It didn't matter what the method was. There's dozens and dozens. Nobody said pogo stick. Come on.
They have no legs.
Come on.
They have no legs.
Rollerblade. So
There's no legs.
the answer is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what method you use.